Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing Persona 4 Golden, the Solid Gold Premium Edition. This is for the PlayStation Vita, and was released at the same time that Persona 4 Golden was released for the Vita. So on the back, kind of gives you a little description of the game. And then tells you the contents of the Solid Gold Premium Edition. Then it kind of gives you a little view of that. Here's the side of it. Top solid gold. Then the other side. I got this a couple years ago now. Actually, a few years ago. Probably 2014. And I paid $200 for it. Now, this solid gold edition is worth at least double that. So we can go ahead and empty it out. There's the box. So, the first thing it comes with is the game, of course. And surprise, surprise, the game cartridge is not in there because it's in my Vita. As you can see on the back, it has a little more, well actually it's the same right there as it was on the back over here, except this time it has Spanish language, yeah, over there. So there's that case. It comes with a sticker set that I refuse to use. These stickers are probably some of the most valuable stickers that you can find. But you have the whole cast of Persona 4 Golden. Well, at least the Persona 4 team. I guess not the Golden team because there's a lot more people. But you have your 8 main characters. Yosuke, Chie, Yukiko, the main character, Rise, Naoto, Kanji, and then Teddy. And then we have some just little flowers and stars, and then we have the whole cast over there. We have this. It's a skin for the PlayStation Vita, and then on it you can also download some backgrounds for your Vita if you go to that website, or you just look it up and save them from Google Images. Instructions on the back on how to apply it. I'm not the biggest fan of console skins, so I've never used this, and I never used the one for the dancing one either. Now this I did use for a while. There's two cases that this comes with. The pouch to put your Vita in, and then on the inside of it we have this hard cover that the Vita would nicely sit into. Yeah, so how it works is actually if we walk over here, say hello to Bean. Hi Bean. And we grab a PlayStation Vita, one of many, and come down here, we can show how this would work. This only works with the Vita 1000 series because the Vita Slim or the 2000 series didn't exist yet. But how it works is you take it, and this is the back part because you need that extra space for the touchpad. And the Vita just nicely sits in and then kind of locks into place in there. And then they have this padding on top so the screen doesn't get scratched by the case, but it simply just closes like that. And you still have access to your ports on the bottom, back touchscreen, and then if you want to play, you just come up and you open it up. If you can with one hand, yes you can. And then you would just play it like this. You can play, say hello to the camera. You're playing your game. This Vita is not charged because I'm going to play my white one now. But you play it, and then when you're done, you close it, put it in the case, and then of course this is going to be in the way. But you do that, it gives you 3 slots for Vita games, but you'd close it, zip it up. Nice carrying case. I used this for at least a year. The case isn't really damaged at all. I made sure to take care of that. This Vita case, on the other hand, I think it does have, like, you can tell a little wear. maybe some little scratches and smudges, but nothing too bad. So I've tried to keep all this in pretty good condition. And then when I saw how valuable and how much all this is worth, and also just an collector's item thing, I was like, maybe I shouldn't use this case in daily use. So I put it back up, and it'll probably stay in this case for a very long time until I can find a way to display it in some way. So yeah, that's basically it for the Persona 4 Solid Gold Edition. Like I said, it comes with those two cases, comes with the Vita skin, comes with some stickers for some reason, because I guess people like stickers, and then the game, and of course the box. So age-old question, is this worth it? Maybe on release for $100 I can make the argument this is a $40 game. The case is probably worth somewhere around $20. The stickers, I don't know, $5, so you're up to $65 right now. And then you get the nice box, so throw another $10, so that's $75. Already at release, it's kind of iffy on this, if this is worth it or not. I would say for the case and the game, yeah, I could make an argument that sure, it's worth it. If you're a big fan, you want to represent, you get a nice hard case out of it, absolutely. For the price I paid, $200, if you're collecting, maybe. $200 is a lot of money. I don't know if it's worth it at that price. Right now, this edition is running around $400 or $500 cheapest. I can't recommend this at all for $500. No way. You can get Persona 4 Golden on Steam. You can get it digitally on the Vita store. You can play it on the PS TV if you have that. You can get Persona 4 on the PS3, on the backwards compatibility through the PS2 game on PS3 for like $10. Do not pay $400 for this. Do not pay $500 for this. It doesn't matter if it's brand new. Unless you're the biggest Persona fan, I don't think I've ever spent $500 on a single one of these collector's editions. That's not true. I think I did on one. And that was a Persona 3 one. And even then, every day I'm like, I don't know if that was worth it. And that's coming from me, a massive Persona fan. This, for $400, you get some stickers in a case. I don't think it's worth it. But it is a cool collector's thing. If you have it, awesome. Take good care of it, because it's worth a lot of money. And that value is only going to keep going up, 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 and up. I can't ever see a rerun of any Vita games, ever. So maybe in 20 years they'll do the Vita Classic Edition, but I doubt that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like these unboxings. I like them. We still got plenty more Persona unboxings and reviews to go through, so stay in tune, subscribe if you like the content, give this video a like, and yeah, I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.